If you want to know how you can share multiple contacts at once on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Contacts app, then just tap and hold on a contact with 2 fingers. Then just drag your fingers down and select the contacts which you want to share. Now after you select the contacts which you want to share, then just tap and hold on a single contact. And as you can see, we have successfully selected a group of contacts. Now to share it, just tap on share. And from here, just select the data which you want to share, like the photo, the first name, the last name, the email, or the phone number. And after you select the data which you want to share, then tap on done. From this pop-up menu, just select where you want to share the selected contacts. You can airdrop the selected contacts to another iPhone, or you can send it to an email, to a WhatsApp account, or you can save it to your files. Just like that. Just select the location where you want to save the contacts. Then tap on save. And as you can see, this is how you can share multiple contacts at once on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.